And we will keep on and walk from here and enjoy this beautiful old boat here on the left side. That beautiful wooden boat here. Very well renovated and probably makes some trips or something. Here you can see the old traditional boats, the light tower, and on the right side the luxury boats. So very different icons. So, and now we will walk from here during the unofficial parking space for the motorbikes. And we can see also the boat Thalasitis who left the harbor of Rethymno. The name on it is Thalasitis. So now we will walk from here along the road with the cafeterias and the bars and the hotspot for the young people, the party spots of Rethymno. But before we will have a look at the traditional people here in front of us. I don't know if you can already see it. The clothes from the Cretan dancer in front of us. Let's go and have a look. Here we can see beautiful Cretan clothes from the dancers. But now we will go here along the bars, along the hotspots. These places, of course, are very famous, the favorite places for the young people, and yes, they almost at the evening, all of the stores here are full of people, young people, enjoying the music and the atmosphere, and not only. Here's another one. It's called Lux. Not luxury, Lux. Here, there's also a DJ on the right side. And in a few seconds we will pass in front of the Fraules bar called Strawberry. It's very huge here. Yes, and the time is probably not. It's not already the time that they are full, but later it will be for sure. At many cafés here, you can enjoy the games, of course. They have a very big TVs. Here, Chaplin's is one of the most interesting bars here in Rethymno, where you can feel the heavy metal guy inside of you. And the Rubik bar, a hotspot for the teenagers. Even my son loves it here. Here's another one, Bonobo, another bar. And all of them are really very well made, and that's what they are making them interesting. The pizzeria Pepperoncino. I think we will go now to the left side and walk along the beach area. You can write under the comments how you like the city, or if you have been here, what did you like, what not, what could be changed. It's always interesting as a local who lives here to know what the people don't like or like, so please inform us. Here you can walk very well because of those roads, and after an hour they close here the street for the cars, so you can walk very easily here without to be in danger from a car or something. And have in mind that it's forbidden to park here. So when the water police pass by, all of the cars who are parking here get a bill. Let's check out the Thalasitis boat. Here was the Rethymno sign, but it's gone. Sadly, it's gone. I think it would be nice to have here a Rethymno sign.
Śmiejecie, ile się tam jedzie.